All right, let's get started. Today, we are going to embark on a fun and exciting journey with the letter F. Today, I'm going to help you master the letter F in just 3 minutes. But don't worry, we'll make every second count and have a lot of fun along the way. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your English skills, you're in the right place. Learning can be enjoyable and engaging, and that's exactly what we're going to do. First things first, let's talk about how to pronounce the letter F. It's important to get the basics right before we dive into more complex words and sentences. It's a soft, smooth sound made by gently placing your top teeth on your bottom lip and blowing air out. This might feel a bit strange at first, but with a little practice, it will become second nature. Try it with me. FFF. Easy, right? Let's do it a few more times together to make sure we have it down. Now let's take a look at some common words that start with the letter F. These words are not only useful but also fun to say. Repeat after me. Fish. Imagine a colorful fish swimming in the ocean. Frog. Picture a green frog hopping around a pond. Flower. Think of a beautiful flower blooming in a garden. Farm. Envision a farm with lots of animals and crops. Family. Family is very important, and it's a word that starts with F. Great job. You're doing fantastic. Each of these words begins with the FFF sound we just practiced. Can you think of any other words that start with F? Next, let's practice a sentence using the letter F. This will help you see how the letter F fits into everyday language. The fluffy fox found 5 fresh fish. This sentence is packed with F words. Notice how the FFF sound appears several times? This repetition helps reinforce the sound in your mind. Go ahead, try saying that sentence out loud. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. The fluffy fox found 5 fresh fish. Fantastic, you're doing an amazing job. All right, let's move on to recognizing the letter F in different words. This will help you become more familiar with how F is used in various contexts. Here are a few more examples. Fun, fast, friend, forest. Each of these words starts with the letter F and is commonly used in everyday language. Each of these words starts with the letter F. Can you think of any other words that start with F? Keep practicing these words and sentences to get more comfortable with the sound. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Now let's talk about the exits of the letter F. This means where the letter F can appear in a word. It's not just at the beginning of words. F can also be found in the middle or at the end of words. Sometimes F can be found in the middle or at the end of words. This makes the letter F very versatile. For example, coffee, elephant. Notice how the FFF sound appears in the middle of coffee and at the end of elephant. Notice how the FFF sound appears in the middle of coffee and at the end of elephant. Try saying these words out loud too. Try saying these words out loud too. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. All right, before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. Let's go over what we've learned today. The letter F sounds like FFF. It's a soft, smooth sound that can be found in many words. It can be found at the beginning, middle, or end of words. This makes it a very important letter to know. Practice with words like fish, frog, and flower. These are common words that will help you get comfortable with the F sound. And don't forget our fun sentence. The fluffy fox found 5 fresh fish. This sentence is a great way to practice the F sound. Keep practicing and you'll be a pro in no time. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Keep practicing and have fun with the letter F.